All right, y'all, so I'm back. So here's my icing. I actually, y'all, had to add a little more milk to it. It had gotten real stiff. Can y'all see it? Yeah, okay. Here's my knife I use. Now the recipe I use, I'm going to share it for this cake. The next time I make it, I will share it with you. I found that when you make those cakes like the bakeries, after a few days, like I've discovered that like when you order cakes from like say Walmart, Sam's and stuff like that, those cakes in the bakery, they come in already frozen. But if you notice, they really don't taste like they have any extracts in it. And the reason is, if you put extracts in there, what I've discovered is after a while, it start having a funny taste like. So I discovered that with this cake, you use milk instead of water. The cakes like this, where you take the cake batter and you add the flour and everything to it, that white cake, when you add milk to that and the egg whites, after a few days, the cake tastes funny. But because I use the 3 whole eggs, because the recipe say use 4 egg whites or 3 whole eggs, I like the whole eggs because I like I don't know, I just like the texture of the cake. So here is, let me come around. Here is the other layer of cake. And I like to go ahead and do my sides first. And it's thick, so you don't have to really worry about it falling off. I'm not doing any piping or anything. I'm just a basic layer. Oh God, you saw that? Y'all saw my cake on the tear up on me? Now I noticed when I use them cake pans, see how one of them fits higher than the other one? And they're both supposed to be the same size. But I noticed there's like a little difference in the on the side. One of them bulge out more than the other one. I don't know what that is, why it does that. Okay, that's my sides. And so what I do, I have a spatula. I'm just going to take that spatula and use the rest of the icing on the top. And if I feel like it's too thick, I'll just go back around the sides a little bit. Because I think I have enough icing between the layers. So maybe I could have put a little more, I'm not sure. But I'm not saving any of this. I'm going to just go ahead and use it all. And this is going in the sink. I run water on it right then, so I'll be able to wash it right out. Can y'all see? Did I come back too far or something? Okay. Got my little bread and lemons right here. I don't want that in the view, but if it is, it's real life over here, y'all. And I'm asking for prayers for a friend that I met here on YouTube. She only had one son and she lost him to the coronavirus. And I'm going to call her Sister M. My heart goes out to you. I love you. I care about you. I've got you in my prayers. And again, I'm telling you, if there's anything you need me to do for you, just let me know. And y'all, that's my cake. It's a yellow cake with chocolate ice. I'm going to try to come back in and let y'all see it whenever I get ready to cut it. So what I'm doing with the water you hear is I'm running water in that pan. And I've used a fork to get this off the side. Just put this right there. And so when you get through using your dish, if you go ahead and if you go ahead and run water in it right then, regardless of what it is, it's just so much, the cleanup is just so much easier. Okay, so that's my bakery yellow cake. This is the second recipe I have that I'm just sharing the icing this time. Next time I'll share this new recipe I found.